జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. He crossed Pampasaras and then he is heading towards Lanka Nagaram. How is that scene? Ravanasura holding Sitamma. How is Sitamma? If it is a big serpent having so much of poison, if someone is holding that kind of serpent, how it looks, so also Ravanasura holding Sitamma looking like that. While carrying Sitamma, who is the death to Ravana, such Ravana is now crossing Vanani, Saritaha, Sailam, Saram, Sicha. He is crossing forests. Ravanasura crossing all the rivers. Ravanasura crossing all the mountains. Ravanasura crossing all the ponds and rivers. Ravanasura in the sky, he is now crossing ocean while holding Sitamma, who is the death to Ravana. Such Ravana was seen by Samudra, Charanas, Siddhas, and all of them are thinking that now the dead end came to Ravana. The time for last breath of Ravana is very close. That is how they are all thinking. When Ravanasura taking away Sitamma while holding Sitamma in his shoulders, all the Charanas, Siddhas, all of them have seen and thinking that it is very close, the death is very close to Ravana now. Like that they are all thinking, and now Ravanasura holding Sitamma, who is in the form of Mrityu to Ravana, and Satu Sitam Viveshtantim Ankena Adaya Ravanaha. While holding Sitamma in his shoulders, Pravivesa Purim Lankam. Ravana entered Lanka Nagaram. He kept Sitamma in one of the Antahpurams in Lanka Nagaram, and Abravischa Dasagrivaha Pisachihi Ghora Darshanaha. Ravanasura called on such a dreadful some of the demon ladies. Now he is passing some orders to those ladies, saying that, "O Rakshasas, without my permission, no male, no female should be able to see Sita here. O Rakshasas, as and how, whenever, whatever I ask, you immediately bring, so also you should be listening to this Sita, and whatever she needs, you have to arrange that immediately. There should be no delay at all. O Rakshasas, make sure Sita is missing nothing here. And also, if anyone, without knowing or with knowing, if anyone causes any kind of pain to Sita, if anyone does hurts Sita with any kind of harsh words, you should know that immediate moment is going to be the death for them. Very next moment they all will be killed, whoever does any kind of harm to Sita." Like that, Ravanasura gave orders to those Rakshasas and went into his own Antahpuram, and he started thinking now what to do. Then he has seen there about 8 soldiers, demon soldiers. And now Ravanasura talking to them like this, "Kshipram ito gacchata satvaraha." Oh my dear soldiers, you have to immediately, all of you immediately have to go and start living in Janasthanam. In that Janasthanam, our Kara, Dushana and 14,000 demons used to live there, but all of them are killed now. There is no Rakshasa in that Janasthanam. Now all of you have to go and start living in that Janasthanam without fear, without any kind of hesitation. Like that, Ravana now sending those 8 demons to Janasthanam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.